Look, it's been a really long time since we have made a video. Life got busy. I went overseas for a few months to Europe. I just got back late last night. But as you can see, we're back in the WRX. She's been driving it for over a year now, daily. And so she's gotten pretty good at driving a manual. Wouldn't you say so?
I hope so.
I had... Quick story. The car I had started having issues. I had an FJ Cruiser, and I ended up selling it because I didn't have the money to fix it. Ended up getting a 2009 STI. It was a hatch. It was silver, and had issues with that, and had to dump money into that. And unfortunately, like right before I left for Europe, it decided that one of the pistons wanted to become air cooled, so that vehicle completely died. So luckily I was going on rotation for 9 months, and was able to wait and get what I really actually wanted originally, and I'm on my way to go pick it up right now. So
I wish we kept the STI as a rally car though.
Well, I wanted to
as well.
We talked about keeping the STI and turning it into a rally car. But
so good.
Unfortunately, the tow truck driver could not get it into our garage because our house, the driveway is a hill, and he couldn't get it up. And he tried really hard, but we ended up ultimately partying it out due to the fact that we're still partying it out due to the fact that we couldn't keep the vehicle not working in the driveway because it would have gotten in the way of her car, but we also definitely couldn't keep it on the street because the homeowners association in the neighborhood we lived in would have had a field day with us. So we partied her out, and we sent her, and she went and got crushed. Rip. I have some clips and stuff of it. I'll maybe throw together a montage, a rest in peace montage for it.
It sounded so good too.
It did sound really good. I had done a turbo back exhaust tune, and it was nice.
NVIDIA N1, so good.
Yep.
Was it dual exit?
It was dual exit because I don't like the way that single exits look, which is my big problem with the S15. It's like the only thing about that car that I don't like is single exit.
You like the symmetry?
I love the symmetry.
Yes, yeah.
My OCD likes the symmetry.
Yeah,
but
it's why I like my trunk being debadged.
But we're on our way to go pick up the new car, and I'm really excited. So next time you see me here in a couple minutes, well, a couple seconds for you, about an hour for us, hour and 45 minutes, you'll see what I'm getting, and it's gonna be awesome. I'm excited. She's excited.
Make sure you test drive it first.
Yes. So we'll see you. Hey, there's a lot of interstate noise, but this is the closest parking lot we could find. I swapped out the relays on the vehicle because the relays from 08 to 10 or 08 to 11, something like that, are known to have faulty issues with these cars. So I went ahead and swapped them out before I got on the interstate to drive an hour and a half home. But without further ado, this is her car, which has had quite a bit done to it since you guys saw it last. Cosmetically, yes. And then this is what I got. I got an Evo. So, we're going to go ahead and head home. We got a lot of videos coming out for you guys. At some point in time today, we're going to record another video for her car installing something. And then tons of stuff coming for the Evo and the WRX. So stay tuned. Like, subscribe, and enjoy the rest of the B-roll footage of us driving home on the scenic route. So we'll see you guys later.